percent. So out of 21, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Means 4 are absent. 4 out of 21 are absent. Means Chadara, he doesn't come. Now 3 out of 21. Nistara, Swarnima, and who is left? Smarika. Oh, all girls are absent. Okay. So children, now let me open the book. Book is here. And which presentation is today? That presentation also we'll discuss. This is Modern Graded Science 9. Where is it? CJ 9? This one? Oh, yes, yes. Now everything we have to do with smart activities. Okay. So this chemical reaction you must remember. Did you practice this one, children? What is given here? 1H1 plus 1H1, enormously high temperature or extremely high temperature and pressure. It gives deuterium, positron, and energy. Question can be asked. Define deuterium. Write down the isotope of hydrogen. Isotope. What is spelling? ISOTOP. The isotope. The isotope of hydrogen with atomic weight 2. The isotope of hydrogen with atomic either mass or weight 2 is called deuterium. The isotope of hydrogen with atomic mass or weight 2 is called deuterium. Here you can see, here is given 1H1. 1H1. This is atomic weight or atomic mass. This is atomic number. But here given 1H2. Atomic mass is how much? 2. So this type of hydrogen is called deuterium. Or it is also called, write down, it is also called heavy hydrogen. It is also called, what do you call it? Heavy hydrogen. Okay. What is it called? Heavy hydrogen. In heavy hydrogen, proton 1, neutron 1, electron 1. I mentioned here P N E. P, proton is positively charged. Why did you become late? So why did you go temple? This is the temple. First of all, visit this on time. You have one temple. Why is your tika?
Sir, I can't put tika, sir.
Then why did you go temple?
Sir, to...
If you cannot put tika, then why do you go temple?
Sir, to...
During the time of unable to use tika, we should not visit temple. Remember?
Sir, there was no tika.
In temple, there is no tika.
Sir,
Whatever temple is that?
Not open, sir.
Huh?
That Baje was making it.
Which temple is that?
Saraswati temple.
In some temple, there is no tika. Everywhere you can tika. You can use it. That a story you tell to grandmother. Neutron, chargeless, electron, negatively charged. Right? That is given. Now next one is positron. What is next? Positron. What is positron? Positron we can write here E0. Positron, what is it? E0. What is it? The chargeless electron. Actually, electron should have negative charge, isn't it? The chargeless electron that is formed during nuclear fusion. The chargeless electron that is formed during nuclear fusion reaction is called, what do you call it? Positron. During nuclear fusion reaction is called reaction. It is denoted by E0. Denoted by 1E0. 1E0. Write down 1E and 0. This 1 is the smaller one. Just first write E. Put say 1, put say 0. I think that is best idea. Is that okay? Yes. So that is all. Today, I think today's presentator is Sonima Marzan. Sonima Marzan, you come inside. Now we'll see our slide coming. So your presentation is there. Come here quickly. Come. Okay. You keep your bag here and come and present. Slide I'll find out. Open your file.
Sir, I have a note, sir.
Outside. You are not fit for this class. Go. What is shame on you?
Sir, there was no yet.
No, don't talk about those things. Your story you should tell to your grandmother. You are not doing your work nowadays. You have got a story. It's better to write a story now. UK, J.K. Rowling. She started writing stories, fictional stories, staying in one cafe. She used to simply order coffee and something used to come in her mind and write and write and write and write. She published 7 volumes of such books. That is world famous book. She is more richer than British Crown also. She has that much money. She is none other than J.K. Rowling, who is the author of Harry Potter series. That sector is suitable for you. Some fictional stories you can do. You what happened to Unistara? Next fictional story is here. Why did you become late? What is the first solar device? Solar Tuki. So this solar Tuki is very, very useful in village areas where there is no supply of. Why not? Will you turn on the light? Where there is no facility of electricity, current electricity, the solar Tuki is much more beneficial. Here is one small solar panel. Can you see here? Can you see here one solar panel? What does it do? It converts solar energy into chemical energy. Which energy? And it is stored in battery. Later on, it functions. And actually, what is here? See, the solar panel has got power. Means solar panel has got 3-watt battery. How much? 3-watt battery, 3-watt solar panel, 2 white lead bulbs of 0.4 watt each, and it can run small radio and it can charge a mobile phone also. One mobile phone. I think in village there is only one mobile phone is also okay. It's not like Kathmandu. And who developed this solar Tuki? Who developed solar Tuki? 2 people. Anil Chitrakar and Babu Raja Shrestha. They are the scientists of NARC. NARC means there is one organization of Nepal. It is responsible for doing some scientific activities, researches, and they just did it. When the battery is charged whole day, then it can work for those lamps for how many hours? 10 hours. It's very simple. During daytime, it absorbs that solar energy. During night time, that solar energy is converted into light energy. So this is solar Tuki. So remember Anil Chitrakar and Babu Raja Shrestha. And we are famous with this one. What is this one? So street solar light. In your side also, is there street solar light? Is there street solar light in your side or not? So here is also solar panel, and here is battery. Mainly, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be converted from one form to Another form. Here also, solar energy is converted to chemical energy. First, it must be stored, no? It is stored in battery, and that chemical energy is converted to light energy, right?
Sir, how it is controlled when only in night time it blows?
It goes no. There are two ways. Either we have to use manual switch. Manual switch means, suppose if it's a little bit dark, just make the switch on, it glows, later on off. But in such devices, they use photovoltaic switch. Photovoltaic switch means automatically when the light becomes dim, the switch becomes on and it functions. And when there is bright light, the switch becomes off. Very interesting one, right? What is that called? Photovoltaic switch. Okay. Uh, it is also very lovely one. I already said it converts light energy, solar energy into chemical energy. It is in battery, and again chemical energy to which one? Electrical energy. So it is more powerful than that solar to be. Does it give bright light or not? Yes, definitely. So Nepal government also has made one policy. If the community wants such type of solar lamps, so 40-60 process there. That means one solar lamp costs near about 1 lakh rupees. How much? 1 lakh rupees. Because for solar lamp there is one that pole also, electric pole. Then this solar panel, light, battery, isn't it? Photovoltaic switch. So out of 1 lakh, 60,000 will be assisted by government, and the local people must collect how much? 40,000. That is also okay. That is government community partnership. So they will take care of it, isn't it? Okay. Third one. What is the third solar water heater? Means solar devices. Solar water heaters. Do you have solar water heaters? Nobody has got, right? Even I also don't have. Oh, Arusi have got. Oh, Arusi has got. How many such uh, tubes are used? Hello, boy. How many tubes are used? Are there tubes or not? But he doesn't count it. Actually, these number of tubes depend upon the quantity of water that can be stored in this vessel, right? So they say 230 liter, 300 liter, 350 liter, or 400 liter like that, right? Generally, what does it do? These tubes, they absorb heat energy from the sun and they make water present inside the vessel hot. But in such days, will the water be hot? Why?
No, sir.
Because these tubes, they do not get more amount of which energy? Light energy, isn't it? Now it is very much famous. See, water tank, hot water out, in and this and that. Next one is, what is next?
It is not obvious. No, in while there is sun, we don't need hot water.
No, it doesn't mean that. During winter season, do you need hot water or not? Then in winter season, the sky is not covered with cloud. There is no cloud in the sky. Have you seen? Sometimes there may be fog, Husu, but that Husu Jamana also already gone. Nowadays we cannot see that fog in Kathmandu. Last time what happened, when I had to drop my daughter in Pokhara for study, we went in our car. We hadn't seen Husu for many years here. When I crossed Munglin, after crossing Munglin, then I found the place was covered with fog. There I saw fog, but here no fog. It shows that the temperature of Kathmandu has increased a lot. When I came to Kathmandu for the first time during the winter season, especially in the month of March, it was very difficult to get the chance to look at the sun. I mean, there used to be fog till 1 p.m. But nowadays, no fog. Is there any fog? No. So, here no tension. Okay, Arina? So, today you can ask your mom to fix one.
No, sir, I am.
Geyser is there? Oh, okay. If so, no, okay. Now, otherwise, many more shops are there. They will give some discount also. Use it. Next one is number fourth one. What is here?
Solar dryer.
Solar dryer. Yes. The solar dryers, what do they do? The solar dryers, see, directly if we keep those vegetables, fruits in sunlight, then they may not dry it very well. There may be over drying. So for that, what do they use? Solar dryer. See, sunlight comes here and the heat is applied slowly. And what system is here? Cold air goes from here, and what comes from out? Hot air, and it remains more or less in its own texture, quality. Okay. And the next important thing is here. What is that? Solar cooker. See, one this antenna type structure is here. At the center, one device is kept. Here is one black device. Can you see?
That is cooker.
This is cooker. See, solar cooker. And this device, this whole part, it absorbs heat energy in one point, and that heat helps to cook the food. So actually, it is beneficial for us. No, solar energy contains two forms of energy. What are they? Heat energy and light energy. That light energy is used in solar cookie, in solar street lamps, heat energy in solar dryer, solar heater, etc. Uh, here is this thing. See. So now next thing will be discussed tomorrow. Is that okay? All right. Which presentation is tomorrow? Your presentation. Did you make already slides? Make today more and come. All right. Okay. Children, what to do at first? Read this chapter once again, and then start note making. Understood? Then I will give some question answers in daytime. Please.